Ladies and gentlemen, please now I'm very delighted to be with you in this lesson that we are going to study. It is about the morphology. Please, do you know morphology? First of all, the morphology is a study of word formation. So please now, after this lesson, you should be able to make or to form your words in English. Yes, nowadays it is not mandatory for going the read. There are so many vocabularies. So now you have the ability for making for forming your own words, right? So be ready and listen. You should watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you can cover this one and you can cover this objective for forming the words. Are you ready? Please be together, reverse, so we can cover this lesson without misunderstanding, without hesitating, right? So let's begin here. As you hear, this morphology means word formation. It is a study of word formation. So here we have two things: prefix and suffix. So what's about the prefix and what's about suffix? So this prefix, it is a word part which is added at the beginning of a word, while this suffix, it is a word part which is added at the beginning, at the end of the word, right? So now please let's see this one. As you have the example which is here, yeah, when you say root word, it is the base word. And here we have a prefix. I have told you that. Suffix, I have told you at the beginning. So now please let's continue. So now here let's begin to number 2. Right, to have the root word. Root word is ijambo muzi. Prefix ni akajambo kongerwa ku ijambo kabanziriza. Suffix ikaza ari ijambo ryongerwa ku ijambo riza risoza. It is the initial word, and this one it is the final word, and this one it is the initial word. All right. So by making this prefix of right, how do we say? Here we use the prefix rewrite. So the suffix is rewriting. Rewriting. So you see here, this word has prefix and a suffix, re and ing, this ing. So here we have agree. It is we will use disagree. This disagree, it is prefix. So we can make here the suffix is disagreement. Disagreement. So number 4 here we have possible. We say impossible. Impossible. Ibidashoboka. And then the suffix will be possibility. Irrity. Impossibility. Impossibility, right? So this is adjective, but this one it is what to call the noun. This is noun, and this one is the adjective, right? This is adjective, and this one is noun, right? So here we have understand. It is a verb to understand. Say misunderstand. And you can have which is misunderstanding. Misunderstanding. Right? So here we have another which is active. This prefix can say in in, inactive. So the suffix can be inactivated. Inactivated. So here we don't read ed, we read ed. Inactivated. So here we have work. This is work. Work. So here we can say, can use over work. The suffix can be overworked. Overworked. So here the prefix can be unacceptable. Unaccept. So here the unaccept. Kutemera. Overwork, gukora ibirenze. So unacceptable. Unacceptable, bitemewe. National, when you say national, how do you say? You can say the prefix can be international. So you can say the prefix can be, just the prefix can be internationally. Internationally. Here we get internationally. So the final one, it is the final one. Here we have view. So please, which prefix can we use? Can you use? And which one? And which suffix can you use? Just easy your work. Please just put it in a comment, right? So, and also I would like to thank you for watching the videos. Just you deserve more blessings for watching our videos here. This is your channel. It is our channel together, right? So I and you, we must achieve a lot of things. We should know English and speak fluently when we are together. Keep watching and just share, like, and subscribe. Keep watching the video. See you. Ciao, ciao.